Hey, what's going on guys, it's Ron here. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Zombe mod pack for Minecraft Beta 1.8.1. Now, first things first is you need to download it from the Minecraft forums, which is from minecraftforums.net/topic/ whatever this rest is. I'm not going to say it rest. I'm not going to say the rest of this, but you can find it on the Minecraft forums. You can search it here. Google does not work, but you can find it into the link down below in the description. And this is a mod pack which has 26 mods, and it's amazing. Lets you fly and much more. It's a very amazing mod. Now, here we are on here. Just gonna give you information about it. I won't read it now, but here is. You can download it from clicking on the download link, and it will download it. I already have it downloaded to save time, and here we are. Now, once we have the folder where you save it open, you would need to go to your .minecraft folder. Now, you would need to click on Start, and then %appdata and then click on Enter. And if you're on Windows XP, you click on Start, then Run, and then enter %appdata then click on OK, which I'll do that right now. Now, once you're in your roaming folder, you'll need to click on your .minecraft. Now, here's your .minecraft. Now you need to back that up. Now, the way I back it up is just to drag it to a safe place. I'll drag it to MC backup, which is a folder which I made, which is for Minecraft backups. That's the manual way, but I preferred using a different way, which I'll explain in how to backup your Minecraft with a special program in a later video. But once that is moved to your backup folder, you need to run Minecraft. So I'll open it up, enter my name, enter my password, and click on remember password and log in, and it's going to say updating Minecraft. It's going to download all the files from the Minecraft servers, and should not take that long, and it should be done in right now. Now it'll say Mojang and give you the screen. Now that is a good sign. Now you need to click on the close button. Now after that's done, you see the .minecraft folder has appeared again. You need to double click on here and double click on .minecraft. Now you need to double click on .bin, and then right click on minecraft.jar, zip, open archive, or open with WinRAR archiver. Depending if you have zip, you will click on zip, open archive, or click on open with zip. I mean WinRAR archiver, whichever one you're using. I'm using zip. Now here we are inside the minecraft.jar. First things first you do is to delete this meta-inf. Just hit delete on your keyboard or delete up there, and click on OK. It's deleted. Now go to the Zombe mod pack. I mean, go to the folder where you got the Zombe mod pack. Now double click on here. Now here we'll say classes, config, source, generate error.bat, readme.html. Now the only stuff you need to worry about is the classes and config. Now, first things first, you need to click on classes, and you'll see all the classes for this mod. You need to select them all by doing Control A or doing Edit and select all. Then you can drag this into where the Minecraft.jar is open right over here with your archiving program, and put it to white space or the classes. I'll put the classes, and it will ask you if you want to confirm the copy. It's asking you, are you sure you want to copy these files? Just click on yes, and you should be done for the editing the Minecraft.jar. Now you close that. Now you need to keep this zip. I mean, you need to keep this window up, which has the Zombe mod pack files. Now you need to go up. You can click on this little arrow button, and on WinRAR there should be something like that, but not exactly like this. Now, next things first. Now, next thing is to go back to your bin, mean, you keep this open here first, and go back to the folder where it's been. If you close it out like this, you can go back to click on start, and then click on, then do %app data % in the search, or click on run if you're on Windows XP, which then you go back to .minecraft, and yeah, so pretty much once we're inside the .minecraft folder right here, this is where we need to be, the root where it has been, resources, saves, and etc. You need to click, right click, new folder, then name it mods, then double click on it and make a new folder in here and call it Zombe, spelled like this, ZOMBE. Now double click on this again and double click on config, and you need to go and select select all of them by doing this, or Control A, then drag it here and close this, and here is your configuration files. I mean, this is where all the files which is necessary to make it work. I mean these are other files, but the main thing we need to look at right now is this configuration file, which says config. Now you need to open it up with Notepad or Notepad++. I'll be using Notepad++ just for this tutorial. Now, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure the fly mod and make it work. Because, so yeah, so we can scroll up down to about halfway, or we can do Control F and then click on and type in fly, which I'll do because it saves time and it works. Now here we are in the fly area. Now it's the flying area. Now fly mod. Now to enable one of these, you need to look for this hash mark and remove that where it says mode, then the name enabled, then the name of the feature. Now this is enabled now. Then it's gonna, now these are the keys which you can use. Now F lets you turn on the flying. Now E lets you go up. Now Q goes down, and the left shift lets you go to speeds up your flying. Now for me, here's my keys which I use. For up, I use Z, and make sure to capitalize Z too, or it won't work. And I replace and I use X to go down, Z goes up, X goes down. And for the speed multiply key, which makes you go faster, I use C. And also, yeah, that's pretty much it for configuring it. If you want to configure a different mod like the compass one, you just need to take this hash mark out, but I'm not going to do that for the purpose of this tutorial. Now, close this out, run Minecraft, and log in and see if it lets you log in and work. Now let's full screen this, and looks like right now it's working perfectly. Did not give any black screens of death. Now we need to go single player, create world. I'm just going to create a new world just to show you if it works, because I have no worlds in here. But to restore your old worlds, I'll show you how to do that just in a second to see if this works. This is what you should do. Always test it out to see if your stuff works. But go to okay, here, open up your inventory. Now first of all, here's what you gotta do. You gotta change your settings. Now let me go. Now you gotta change your controls, and let me change this to I because I like I. And where does it say toggle fog? Now, wherever there's toggle fog, you need to change that to some other key. But right here, it does not look like toggle fog is available. But once you have your keys configured, your settings configured, and stuff like that, you need to test it out. And if you click on F, it will say over here flying, and then if you click on your keys which you set to go up, Z goes up for me, and X goes down as I configure it, and C speeds up. But when you click it without click on anything else, it does nothing. If you hold down W, you can see yourself. Actually, you see yourself floating. If I click on F5, it says I am actually floating. Now if I hold down C with holding down W, it makes me go faster. And if I click on F5 again to see myself, is actually going faster. Now if I do that for the A, does left, right, and all sorts of stuff. Then that also applies to the up and down, whichever keys you set. Mine is going to be X and Z. And to turn off flying, you need to click on F, and you're off flying, and you're back onto normal pace and normal mode. So once you tested it works, you need to close out of Minecraft, go back to your folder. To open this run program, by the way, you click on the Windows R button, which I didn't mention, which opens to the run command. It does not matter what, if you're using XP, Vista, or 7. But once you enter your %app data here, or go run and in XP and go there. But once you go to your Minecraft folder, you need to go to your saves, and for your old saves on your other world, you need to go back to where you back up .minecraft and saves, and you can transfer your worlds, but I'm not going to transfer them now because I don't really want to transfer them, because this is just for demonstration purposes. But you should transfer your worlds, which are very precious to you, and stuff like that. I mean, you can transfer your screenshots to the root of there. You can do stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would appreciate if you leave a rating, and for more Minecraft tutorials and stuff like that, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.